In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and share materials between objects in Blender. If you've ever set up a great looking material on one object and want the exact same look on other objects, you don't have to rebuild anything from scratch. Blender lets you link that material across multiple objects in just a couple of clicks. Here's how to do it clearly and reliably. First, start by selecting the object that already has the material you want to reuse. Think of this as your source object. You can click it in the 3D viewport or choose it from the outliner, whichever is faster for you. Make sure you can see that the material is applied either by using Material Preview or Rendered View, so you know you've got the right one. Next, hold Shift and select every object that should receive that same material. Keep in mind that the last object you click becomes the active object, which is important here. The active object is highlighted more boldly and is the one whose properties will be used for linking. For this workflow to succeed, the active object should be the source object, the one with the material you want to share. With your selection ready and the correct active object in place, press Ctrl+L to open the Make Links menu. From the list, choose Materials. This command links the material slots and their assignments from the active object to all the other selected objects. It doesn't duplicate or bake anything, it simply makes them all reference the same material data block. That means any future tweaks you make to that material will automatically update across all linked objects. Finally, check the result, switch to Material Preview if you're not already there, and confirm that the selected objects now display the same material as the active object. You can also look in the Material Properties tab for each object and see that the same material name is present. If something looks off, a quick undo and reselection usually fixes it. Make sure you're in object mode when you do the linking and confirm that your active object was indeed the source. A couple of quick tips. Linking materials works across many object types that support materials, and it preserves material slot order and assignments. If different objects have different topology, that's fine. Materials are independent of mesh shape, and if you accidentally linked the wrong look, just press Ctrl+Z and try again with the correct active object. That's all there is to it. You've efficiently shared a material across multiple objects, keeping your scene consistent and your workflow fast.